glad to welcome you here at the Digital Factory in Gambetta, east of Paris. Here in the building you can have around 150 digital experts working here, but we have also in the 4 pilot countries, in the OPCOs, around 50 associates in charge of the omnichannel platform.
I am responsible of the build and delivery of one important module of the Spark project. It is the CRM.
I was hired at Sonepar since September 2021 as a product owner on e-commerce.
We have here in the Digital Factory plenty of expertise.
I look after the adoption and the rollout of the Spark platform with the operating companies.
I'm in charge of a team called Platform Team, responsible for Digital Factory Cloud Platform. It's a day-to-day challenge. We face problems and we should find solutions. That motivates me. It involves lots of innovation because what we are doing may not exist.
We have put in place a feedback loop, meaning that the product is built with our customers. So our customers being installers or the electrician on the field who needs to purchase products. And my role is to make sure that the feedback from these people is top priority in the Spark program.
I'm a consultant at Sapient and a lead in user research. We do a lot of things, from user testing to help designers design better products, ethnographic explorations of what customers really need.
We want our customers to enjoy a seamless experience. They can start the purchasing journey in a branch, finish on a mobile, continue on the desktop. So it has to be seamless, whatever the channel is, and facilitating their work on a daily basis.
I'm a product management and digital transformation consultant at Publicis Sapient. As we work in Agile, we continuously improve the product and we get to see very quickly the values that we are bringing for customers and also for Sonepar business.
We have people in the countries discovering the Agile ways of working. It helps a lot to speed the construction of the platform. And we see already the management locally very interested in this method. We are training some ex-com to the Agile ways of working for other projects than Spark.
What I like best about my job is the program and its goals are very ambitious, and the scale of the program is enormous and touches many different facets within the Sonepar company. In 3 words, my job is challenging, exciting and fun.
I like the negotiating aspect of my job, thank God, because it's the main aspect of it.
I deal every day with different topics such as sales automation, marketing automation, customer service, both from the technical and the business side. So it is very interesting and at the same time it is challenging for me.
When I feel that I manage to really understand what the customer is trying to tell me, what they want, and that I managed to translate it in words that are actionable for our teams, well, it feels like it's an immense satisfaction.
My job in 3 words would be communication, agile, and teamwork.
Intense, challenging, and empowering.
Agile, transformation and collaboration.
What I like the most in the Digital Factory is when we see associates who never worked together from Italy, from Norway, and grouping to manage a big challenge, a deadline, and succeeding together and having this pleasure of being in a group in Sonepar. So when I see that, I know that we are powered by difference.